Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending March 1st, the major averages were mostly higher this week, with the S&P and Nasdaq both up for the seventh week in the past 8 weeks. New home sales increased in January by 1.5% due to a strong increase in the Northeast and the West. The average price of a new home sold was $534,300. The FHFA Home Price Index increased 0.1% during December of 23, but was up 6.6% compared to December of 22. Durable goods orders declined a more than expected 6.1% in January. However, excluding new orders of transportation equipment, new orders declined only 0.3%. The Consumer Confidence Index declined for the first time after 3 consecutive monthly increases. Confidence deteriorated for consumers under the age of 35 and those over 55. Real GDP during the fourth quarter of 23 was revised slightly lower during the second GDP estimate from 3.3% to 3.2%. The pending home sales index declined 4.9% in January compared to December. Although personal income increased considerably in January, inflation and taxes reduced the increase in disposable income to only 0.3%, while real disposable income was flat. The PCE price index, which is the price index the Feds use to target inflation, increased 0.3%, while core PCE, excluding food and energy, increased by 0.4%. The ISM manufacturing PMI remained in contraction territory. And finally, construction spending declined against expectations for an increase. Year-to-date, the Dow is up 3.7%, the S&P is up 7.7%, and the Nasdaq is up 8.4%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.18%. Oil closed at $79.74 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,083.65 an ounce, with silver closing at $23.15 an ounce. For this week of March 4th, Tuesday we'll get factory orders and the ISM Services Index. Wednesday, the ADP Employment Report, wholesale inventories, job openings, and the Fed Beige Book all will be reported. The Beige Book is a qualitative review published 8 times a year of current economic conditions. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, the U.S. trade balance, and consumer credit. And on Friday, non-farm payrolls, the unemployment rate, hourly wages, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.